Word of the week, PBS Kids Word of the Week. The word of the week is unique. When something is unique, it's not like anything else. It's unusual and one of a kind. Unique. It's the word of the week. The word of the week.
Funding for Alma's Way has been provided in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, these generous supporters, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah! ¡Vámonos! It's Alma's Way. Here she comes.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system for the state of Maine. If this were an actual emergency, official information would follow the alert tones.